Good morning. We're in the wildflower garden in front of my house. I picked some of these flowers to plant because some of them, like this purple coneflower, have pretty colors. Some of them attract insects, others feed birds, but then also some of them have really cool things about them, and they remind me or make me think about the sea of grass and wildflowers that used to exist on the prairies. Well, one of the plants that I picked is compass plant. This is actually it. You might think, well, that's kind of a sad looking wildflower, but compass plant actually is supposed to be crazy tall. In the right kind of soil, it can get to be up to 10 feet tall. It's like twice as tall as I am. And compass plant also has leaves that look like this. They're really thick and rough. It probably keeps them from drying out on a hot summer day. And it's called compass plant because the leaves will turn so that they face in a north-south direction. Kind of like the needle on a compass. You can tell which direction you're going. Well, the problem with this compass plant is when I planted it on the edge of my garden. And so it's kind of flopped over. It doesn't have any support. Compass plant grows in grasses and wildflowers that kind of surround it and help to support it. In the Bible, we learn that Jesus understood and knew that we all need support. In Mark chapter 6, it tells us that Jesus sent his 12 disciples out 2 by 2. And in Luke chapter 10, it talks also about him sending out 72 disciples, again, 2 by 2. Jesus knew that we need each other. We need each other for support and for prayers and for someone to talk to. He was a pretty smart guy. He knew the best way to spread the word and his message. And I think that's a lesson that we can all learn too. We need each other. And there are different ways that we can support each other. Sometimes it might be just by giving someone a hug or writing them a note or smiling at them or telling them that you appreciate the things that they do. Sometimes there might be people in our church or around you that are the tall ones that get all of the attention. And sometimes it might be kind of tempting or easy to get a little jealous that someone gets all the attention. But don't forget that you are important too. Everyone is important and we all need each other. So remember that. Let's finish with a prayer. Dear God, thank you for these beautiful wildflowers, and thank you for the beautiful prairie that they grow on. Thank you for making them and us all different. Help us to remember also that we need each other, and most importantly, we need you. We love you very much. Amen. Bye.